I only use those for recording and editing, not for mixing. Alright, let's talk about the Rode NTH-100 headphones. I have them for quite a while now, and I didn't make a hands-on review thingy video because it's tricky. So, first of all, I got a nice case for it, since it doesn't come with a real hard case. This is a random case. I have a link below. It doesn't really fit too good, fully extended, but it works. You can store the cable and the headphones, and there you have it. I have a quick first impressions video already on my channel. I have a link here. So, first of all, those are well-made headphones. They're not too big, not too heavy. They have nice little design tricks, so to speak. First of all, this locking mechanism here is nice. So when you have them on the perfect size, you just lock them in place and there you go. Second thing is you can move cables from the left to the right, and you can get different color cables. I got the short orange one because that is nice for on the road, and you can have them on the left or right ear depending on where your recorder is or your output from your audio interface, something like that. This is really nice. They're quite comfortable. It's really nice. The ear cups are nice and smooth and cool, so to speak. The only thing is those get messy quite quickly. This Alcantara thingy, leather, whatever it's called, or whatever it is, gets dirty quite quickly, but it's also quite easily cleaned or even removed. So that is all nice. So build quality is amazing for the money. They're comfortable. You can have them on your head, on your ears for hours without any issues. And that is actually the best thing on those headphones. In my opinion, they are quite comfortable and well made. Now, in terms of sound, they are made to sound quite neutral, and they kinda are, but something is missing in terms of the sound. I only use those for recording and editing, not for mixing. I think, in my opinion, for my taste and my experience with other headphones and what I do, they are not the best option when it comes to sound mixing. Something is missing in the sound profile, so to speak. Yes, they are quite neutral and flat, but also a bit too flat, and in certain frequency areas, in the higher ends and the mid-lows, there's something going on. I have some graphs up. There's something missing and things get kind of muddy and not precise. Also the stereo field, the sound stage, so to speak, is a bit narrow. Something sometimes sounds not right, especially for mixing. They sound sometimes a bit boring, so to speak. And that can be good, but also bad. So for my work, really critical mixing decisions I do with the Beyerdynamic 900 Pro X. Those are open back headphones. I know this makes a difference, of course, I know that. But then again, I have also closed back headphones like the Beyerdynamic TT-770. Those are quite nice as well. But overall, those just sound nice and good. With the Rode headphones, what I've experienced is that I push certain frequencies too much in order to make them sound nice. Because those are missing or get muddy. I'm not quite sure what's going on. I have a link below where someone talks about his experience with those headphones, and I think he's on the right track there. So yeah, I think it's critical. at least for my ears, for my taste, for my workflow, I can't really use them for mixing, and I really wouldn't recommend them for that. But then again, they're quite amazing for recording and editing, especially for long hours, because they are quite comfortable and sound decent enough and neutral. But yeah, that's about it. And I take them with me on the road in this case because they are quite smallish. Those Beyerdynamics are just too bulky, and those just fit better into my bag. So there you have it. Long story short, they're well made, they're good quality, they're comfortable, they sound good, but in my opinion are not made for mixing. I mean, there are other headphones that are worse, but especially in comparison to those Beyerdynamic headphones, even the 700 Pro X, those might be better, even though they are more expensive. So yeah, it's a tricky. Headphones is always a matter of taste as well anyways. But yeah, there you have it. They are good, but not perfect. Maybe if Rode comes up with some open back headphones with a much nicer frequency response. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, those Beyerdynamics sound a bit too nice, so to speak. But that's also a good thing, so you don't over push certain frequencies. Anyways, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you have any experience with those and what your experience is, or if you have any headphones. I mean, I tried those AKG K71 whatever. I tried those because everybody was talking about them and I wanted to compare them with those, but those have other issues. They're cheap, they feel cheap, sound odd, even though they have that Herman curve thingy going on. I didn't like them at all, even though the bass response was really nice, but they sounded odd. But then again, there's also a matter of taste, and in my opinion and with my workflow and my stuff, I recommend the 900 Pro X for sure. Those are just amazing for the money. Best headphones in that price range you can get for mixing and for recording. Get those. Those are actually better than the Audio-Technica M50X, I think, because those have other issues. Yeah, whatever. Now, that's really it. See you in the next one. Have a great day and back to work.